Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. So firstly, what you need to do is open any of the web browser. And in the top, there's an address bar. Type down support.google.com and enter it. So once you type down that, you'll get into this interface here. What you need to do is you need to select this Google account, not the Gmail. You can also describe your issue and you can find the search results, or you can scroll all the way to the bottom and select this post to the help community. And over here, scroll to this post a question here. And over here, you need to type down your issue. And over here, you need to explain the problem you're facing and what you have tried. After that, you need to select this category here as well and select this account access and recovery here. And after that, select next. And over here, you need to choose the best description for your issue and select next. And you need to follow the on-screen instruction and select next step. So over here, you need to select the platform and select next again. So, and after that, you need to select this post. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.